Introducing the Saramonic Ultra Wireless Microphone Kit.
I just added a little bit more ice and we're just gonna blend that down.
32-bit float recording, check. Included lavs, a must-have for every setup. Timecode, we've got it. IPX5 resistance, because you never know. Detachable antenna to boost range and minimize interference. Ultra says it all. We cut no corners with this advanced wireless 2.4 GHz dual mic system, and you'll be amazed at the price. Whether you're a content creator who demands the best or a professional with demanding clients, the Ultra has you covered.
Wonderful smoothie. It's a great way to start your day.
Record up to 10 hours of stunning 32-bit or 15 hours of 24-bit audio with 8 GB of internal storage, capturing even the loudest sounds with remarkable clarity without clipping or distortion. With a maximum SPL of 130 decibels, this microphone can handle anything from a helicopter flight to a concert, allowing you to recover every detail in post-production. And syncing your audio clips has never been easier. With the timecode feature, your 32-bit recordings will align perfectly with your camera. Clear voice technology is designed with your creative vision in mind. Enjoy 3 levels of noise cancellation, voice boost to highlight natural speech frequencies, a low-cut filter to minimize unwanted noise.
One thing to keep in mind is that celery actually is pretty high in sodium, believe it or not.
And automatic gain control, so you can focus on your content without fussing over levels. And yes, they can handle a little moisture. The transmitters are IPX5 water resistant, perfect for those sweaty workouts or unexpected mishaps. The receiver's 1.1-inch touchscreen is designed for simplicity, and the Saramonic app makes setup a breeze. And tactile buttons on the transmitter allow you to easily mute, activate noise canceling, or start recording. With just one transmitter, you can effortlessly capture audio for your sound library or take quick voice memos, and on-the-street interviews. The Saramonic Ultra comes fully equipped with everything you see here, including the Lavalier mics.